Students, today we are solving JAM Chemistry 2023-21. Says the equal number of gas molecules A and the mass and radius B are placed in two separate containers with equal volume at a given temperature. The ratio of the collision forces B to that of A. Okay, so let's compare the collision forces given by A and B. So gas molecule A is the collision cross section area, so this is pi r square by 2. For B it is collision cross section is a pi 2 r square, so 4 pi r square by 2. So since the volume of the contents are equal, so the number of densities of A and B are also the same. So let's consider the average velocities of A and B. So the average velocity of a gas molecule is inversely proportional to our AV is inversely proportional to square root of the mass according to kinetic theory of gases. So average velocity of A मान लेते हैं VA and B का ले लेते हैं VB. Since the temperature on the gases are the same, so the average velocities are proportional. So therefore the ratio of the collision frequencies of B to A is given by collision frequency of B divided by collision frequency of A. So that is 4 pi r square into VB divided by pi r square into VA. So 4 VB by VA. So now we need to consider the ratio of the average velocities also. So VB by VA separately. So root over of MA by MB, which is root over M by 2M root 1 by root 2. Okay, so root 2 by 2. So therefore the ratio of collision to B to A is the collision force of 4 into 2 by 2. So 2 root 2 is to 1. So the answer is